What's the number one way to keep your motorized bike running for a long time? Don't be cheap. Don't go to Family Dollar or Walmart and buy the cheapest crap you can find on the shelf. Go in, get some good synthetic district oil. I've never had a motor overheat or any of the above like everyone always whines and complains about. Because you know they run in the cheapest crap they can find from Walmart. Anyways, I just use this 40-1. I live in one of the hottest environments there is, and I have no problems.